Kaya po, I cannot accept this kind of wording.
So, Senator Ontiveros, would you like to make your manifestation? Thereafter, Senator Judge Marcos. You may proceed, ma'am.
Salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer. I strenuously vote no to the motion. The wording of the approved motion introduces unnecessary ambiguity to the already politically charged proceedings. Ang return po ay pagsauli o pagbalik. Sa usapin ng judiciary, nire-remand ang kaso pabalik sa lower court for further proceedings. Kaya po, I cannot accept this kind of wording. It is dangerous and disingenuous, particularly when the rules of court have suppletory application. The same purpose could have been achieved by merely asking the House prosecutors to file a compliance and clarify certain issues. Wala pong remand o return sa konstitusyon. Ang obligasyon natin, try and decide. Isa po itong kabalintunaan, Mr. Presiding Officer.